All right, today I have the Whirlpool washer machine, right? And I have color clothes in here. All right, I have color clothes in there. What did I use? I used Tide Pods, clear, free and clear, free and gentle right there. I have those in there, as well as some Snuggle sensitive skin fabric softener, which I put in the top loader right here. Put the pods inside. I have color clothes. Now it's time for me to select a setting for the color clothes. Now, normally, if you have very sensitive color clothes, you can just go ahead and do the selection for cold wash. And I've done that before, but since it's winter time and the water's extremely cold coming out of the tap, I'm not going to do cold mode because the clothes just doesn't get clean here. So especially with using the free and clear pods, it won't get clean. Can you change the temperature in cold mode? No, you cannot. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and switch it to normal mode. All right, as you can see, this is my load. It's a fairly good sized load in there. All right, so I'm going to go to normal. I'm going to change it from hot to warm. You know, some people may object to it, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do fast spin as well as normal wash and extra rinse to make sure that all the soap and everything else gets rinsed out there thoroughly. All right, so I made the selection. Now I'm going to go ahead and press start. As you can see right here, it shows that it's going to take 1 hour and 3 minutes. All right, and that's how you wash color clothes and the Whirlpool front loading wash machine. Let me know if you have any questions.